students. Now I am here with the second type of construction, type 2, in which the constructed triangle given its base angle and the difference of the two other sides given. So this is second type of construction. One example I am taking here. The question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC 8 centimeter, angle B is your 45 degree and difference between AB and AC is your 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so first of all you have to draw a rough sketch before to draw the real construction. This rough sketch will give you a concept or idea that how to take the steps for the construction. The here question is BC 8 centimeter. So first you have taken, this is your BC and angle B 45 degree, somewhere this angle B 45 degree, and this is your A. So this is your triangle, same look like this. The triangle is ABC in which BC 45 centimeter, 45 degree, and BC is your 8 centimeter. Now question is, you have to take care here in this case, AB minus AC 3.5 centimeter. So which out of these two sides, AB and AC, which one is greater? So definitely AB is greater and AC is smaller. This side is your greater and this is your smaller side. Okay, so this must be greater and this must be smaller. So AB minus AC will get 3.5 centimeter. For this type of construction, steps that we have to follow is, first draw the length BC 8 centimeter by using your ruler. First you draw a line segment BC 8 centimeter. So first of all, we have taken the line segment BC. This is your 8 centimeter. So we write the name. One end is your B, and this end is your C, and this length you have now 8 centimeter. Now your question is to construct at point B angle 45 degree, and already you know, so construct 45 degree. So finally you will get this angle is your 45 degree. Okay. After this 45 degree construction of this angle, when you got the angle 45 degree at the point B, this is your 45 degree. Now since your AB is greater, so you have to cut one arc, the difference 3.5 centimeter from B on this line. So first of all you have to take in your compass 3.5 centimeter. So from the point B, you have to cut one arc of 3.5 centimeter on this line. I am changing the color so that you can understand it better. So from here, you cut one arc, this, and this is the point. You can name this point as P. So let this point will be your P. Now your question is, as usually we do in the previous question we have done, after getting this point P, you join this point to the point C, join PC, you will get a line segment PC. So you will get a line segment PC. Now your task is to draw perpendicular bisector of PC, and already explained all this basic construction, how to draw the perpendicular bisector, to use that process to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, you take the two arcs from P and C by taking more than half, one arc up, one arc down, you will get this two point of intersection, and then join these 2 point of intersection by a straight line. Using your ruler, you draw the line like this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of line segment PC. Okay, and then you will see this perpendicular bisector and the original line, this for angle 45 degree, they will intersect at the point. Since here we have a gap, so we have to extend this point line further. So both the points are in both the lines, this perpendicular bisector, the angle of this 45 degree, both lines are intersecting at this point. So this point will be named as your required vertex A. So this is your point A, this is your point B, and join this A and C to get the complete triangle ABC. So here you will get the required triangle is your A, B and C. Okay, now we have to say little justification of it. In our required triangle is your A, B and C. First I have to remove this both the device. Now the required triangle is your ABC, in which BC is 8 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, and difference between AB minus AC will get 3.5 centimeter, because here we have taken this arc is your BP is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now question is why the difference is 3.5 centimeter. For that you just to look at the construction part. Here we have, as soon as we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of PC, then you have seen this APC triangle, and suppose any name you give at this point, then you will get this is your 90 degree, because this is the perpendicular bisector, this side equal to this side, and this is common. First by side, angle, side, these two triangles are congruent, so you will get AC equal to AP by CPCTC. So this line segment AP will be equal to AC, and now here if we add in AP 3.5, it becomes your AB. So AB minus AP is your 3.5 centimeter, hence automatic your AB minus AC will be your 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so finally the required construction we have is required triangle is your ABC. This is done. Okay, one more type of questions we have in this. Let's see the second type, the type 2. Here we see the question is the construct a triangle PQR in which PQ 6 centimeter, QR is your 60 degree, and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. So here you see QR is 66 centimeter, angle Q is 60 degree, and difference between PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. So first you draw a rough sketch for this to understand. Let the triangle is your PQR in which QR 6 centimeter. So first we have taken base, this is Q and R 6 centimeter. This angle is Q is 60 degree. So we have taken this Q is your 60 degree, and then this point will be become your P, and this triangle is PQR. Here we observe in this figure, this is 6 centimeter given in construction. So rough sketch, this is called rough sketch. So whenever you go to draw a real construction, first you draw a rough sketch. That rough sketch will give you the steps how to proceed. So here we have seen now that QR 6 centimeter, this QR is 6 centimeter, angle Q 60 degree, this Q is 60 degree, and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. PR minus PQ means PR is greater and PQ is smaller. Here you will find this is the greater side and this is the smaller side. So in previous question we have done this was greater and this is smaller. Now the case is reversed. So we have to do some different steps to construct this real triangle. Okay, but first step or second step will be same. First you have to draw QR 6 centimeter, then angle Q 60 degree. Okay, so what we have to do first? First you have to draw QR 6 centimeter. So from here we draw a line 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This length is your QR. So you can give the name here. This point is your Q and this point is your R. Okay. I am writing Q little bit beside this QR, and then you have to construct at Q angle 60 degree. Okay, using compass, and you know very well how to draw 60 degree by using compass. Put your pointer at the point Q, take a convenient length of arc, and from here you take one arc and again by taking the compass at this point we have to take one another arc. Thus both are intersecting at this point. Now using ruler draw a line which is joining from Q to the point of intersection. You will get angle 60 degree. So now we have done the angle here is 60 degree. Now look at the question, the rough sketch. This we have got 6 centimeter, this we have got 60 degree. Now this side is larger. Okay, so whenever you find the side opposite to the given angle is larger, so we have to do one thing. You have to produce this line 60 degree line backward. Like this you have to extend line backward. Earlier we have done the cut one 3.5 centimeter above. When this part is your greater, then we have taken 3.5 centimeter this side. But when this part is greater, to have produced backward, and that difference is your 2 centimeter. From compass, from Q you cut 2 centimeter arc in this side. Okay, you have to keep the pointer at the point Q and then take this side and cut one arc of 2 centimeter. This is the arc of 2 centimeter. Now this point join to R by using ruler and compasses, by using ruler and pencil. From this point you join this to the point R. Now give any name, since our required triangle is PQR. Okay, so required triangle is PQR. So we got the point Q here, we got the point R here. Somewhere you will get the point P this side. So give name other than PQR. Suppose name of this we have taken as A. Okay, again the same condition, draw perpendicular bisector of AR. Okay, this new line segment what we have got after joining A to R, draw perpendicular bisector of it. Okay, so by using compass and ruler again, you have to draw perpendicular bisector of AR, and already you know I taught you in the basic construction how to draw perpendicular bisector. You refer the video, you will get the construction. Okay. So here we have got the two line is intersecting at this point and this point. Now by using ruler, you draw the perpendicular, join these 2 points, this point and this point, by using ruler. And like this you will get the perpendicular bisector of AR. Okay. So now this point is intersecting the given line segment of the angle 60 degree at a point, and this point will be termed as P. So this is your point P. The point where it intersect, this point is P. So this is the point P, and now join point P to R. When you join point P to R, you will get the required triangle is PQR. Okay. The required triangle is your PQR. So here you will get required triangle is PQR, and this triangle where QR is your 6 centimeter, this angle Q is 60 degree, and this PR minus PQ, you will get 2 centimeter, as we have taken this difference is your 2 centimeter. This QA we have taken 2 centimeter. So now on drawing the perpendicular bisector, again by the same property, this triangle and this triangle is congruent. So this side equal to this side, this is your 90 degree, and this is common. So by SAS criteria, again these two triangles are congruent. So from this point to this line segment, PA and PR are same. So and we know that PR minus PQ will give you 2 centimeter. So PR minus PQ also will give you 2 centimeter. Hence we get the required triangle PQR, in which QR 6 centimeter, angle Q 60 degree, and PR minus QR is your 2 centimeter. I hope understood. So we have the two type of question in this for the difference. Again I repeat, two type. What are the two types? In first case, this is larger and this is smaller, that we have done in the previous question. Okay, here see, this step is larger this side and this side is smaller. So the side opposite to the given angle is smaller. So here we cut the arc 3.5 centimeter on this line. But in the second case, when we find this side is opposite to the given angle is greater, in that case we have to produce this line backward, and then you have to cut the difference here like 2 centimeter, join this AR, draw perpendicular bisector, the point where it meet, that will be P, join PR, and we'll get the required triangle is PQR. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Only one way to learn the construction is, when you see this video, keep pause, time to time, step by step, draw the construction, part of the construction, then play the video, do it, understand, again pause it, and then do the next step, and similarly keep on doing. Once you do in this manner, I am 100% sure no one is there to interrupt you. You can't. You can do any type of constructions. Okay, thank you.